Today's legal maxim is vigilantibus sed non dormientibus jura subveniunt, or the law aids the vigilant, not those who sleep on their rights. This maxim translates to the law aids the vigilant, not those who sleep on their rights. This principle emphasizes that the legal system favors individuals who actively assert and protect their rights within the proper time and manner provided by law. Conversely, those who neglect or delay in asserting their rights, those who sleep on them, risk losing legal protection. Applications in law. Number 1. Prescription or statute of limitations. Rights must be enforced within a certain period. If one fails to bring an action within the prescriptive period, the law will no longer allow it. For example, in civil cases, if you don't file for recovery of property within the prescriptive period, the claim may be barred. Number 2, laches or doctrine of neglect. Even when no specific time bar is provided, courts may deny relief to a claimant who delays unreasonably and prejudices the other party. And number 3, equity principle. Equity aids the vigilant. Courts often invoke this maxim to encourage diligence in protecting rights and discourage opportunistic litigation after undue delay. Illustration. Suppose someone owns a piece of land but does not assert ownership for decades, while another person openly occupies and develops it. When the original owner finally files a claim, the court may dismiss it based on prescription or laches, because the law will not reward inaction. Jurisprudence, Philippine Law School versus CA, GR number 115111, decided on August 3, 1994. This case pertained to a civil dispute over the actual possession of a property and the validity of a donation propter nuptias. The Supreme Court affirmed the Court of Appeals decision denying the petition for review and found that the respondent's predecessors and interests had been in possession of the property since the early 1920s, making the petitioner's claim of ownership and right to possession invalid due to their lengthy neglect. The central issue was who had actual, physical, and prior possession of the property in question. History of possession. The respondents and their predecessors had a long history of open, continuous possession of the property dating back to the early 1920s when the former owner, Francisca Galarosa, executed a deed of donation propter nuptias. Petitioner's claim versus respondent's evidence. The petitioner failed to demonstrate any evidence supporting their claim of entry by force or intimidation and their right to the property. Legal principle. The court invoked the principle of vigilantibus sed non dormientibus, or the law aids the vigilant, not those who sleep on their rights. Decision. The Supreme Court denied the petition and affirmed the Court of Appeals decision, finding that the petitioner's inaction and delay in asserting their rights barred their current claim. In summary, the petitioner's legal action was dismissed because the respondents' long-standing possession of the property established their rightful claim, making the petitioner's belated attempt to assert ownership ineffective. Summary. The Supreme Court consistently applies this maxim to cases of laches and prescription, stressing that rights must be asserted promptly and within a reasonable time, otherwise even valid claims may be lost due to inaction. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.